Welcome. In front of me is an HMD Fusion, and today I will show you how we can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button So click on that button once it pops out. I didn't want to talk as it did enable the Google Assistant. But anyway, once you have the options visible right over here, you want to hold power off. As you can see, this then changes into reboot to safe mode. We're going to confirm it by selecting OK, and I'm going to quickly go over the message that was there. So in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Any app that you have installed yourself after the setup will be temporarily disabled to help you troubleshoot your phone. So to kind of explain what this kind of means is, if for instance maybe you're an app developer, just hypothetical situation, you created an app that basically makes your device almost unusable and you struggle to get rid of the app on the device, you could boot into the safe mode, hopefully, and in safe mode this app will no longer be able to disrupt it or anything, basically, as it won't be able to run whatsoever. Neither the app nor you can start it up, so you can then easily get rid of it. Let's see if I have anything here. It looks like I do have a couple applications on the second page that will not work. As you can see, they become monochrome and semi-transparent, and if I try to open them up, it will give me a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. Once you're done with the safe mode, you can boot back into normal mode by holding the power button once more and clicking on the button. And this time around, you just want to simply press on the restart option, and when the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.